Hi everyone, I hope all of you guys are doing well. So today I wanted to just reflect on a couple of things that I felt I should share with you. The first thing is how distractions and how difficult it becomes when we are preparing for UPSC, especially during this time. In the months of July and August, what happens is that we are close to writing mains exam. Those who are writing mains exam this year, some of you might be. It becomes very difficult for you to continue your preparation because you have only 1.5, 2 months left. You are still not sure about your answer writing. You are still not sure about your essay writing. You are still not sure about your optional preparation, and you are always thinking, I have not done enough. I mean, whatever you study, you tend to not remember much of it. Whatever you try to prepare, you figure out that you have to read it again and again to because the syllabus is so vast. But I want to tell you just one simple thing. This is the confusion, this is the kind of uncertainty every aspirant goes through. When I was preparing, when I was writing for mains after my prelims exam, I was also going through this particular problem only because I would think I had studied enough, but then when I sat down to write, I used to sometimes my hands used to freeze. I used to take too much time to write my answers. I used to be not sure what I'm doing is correct or not, and sometimes I used to spoil my entire mock test series. I was subscribed to one mock test series and I would start writing, and then I would realize after question number 5 that I was not interested. I was just feeling so down. So I think don't think of yourself in a underconfident way. Don't give up on yourself when you have such moments, when you have such days, because it's okay to have such burnouts. It's okay to have such kind of thoughts about not doing enough and feeling confused, because this process is such that it takes a lot of perseverance. It takes a lot of just going doing it continuously without stopping, to get through it. So if you're feeling down, if you're not feeling sure, if you're confused, if you're not sure about your optional strategy, about your answer writing, about your mains essay writing, don't give up on it, because you still have a long way. And if you finish it, it's like cricket. You might be Rishabh Pant, who has come out in batting, but the first 10 overs are so difficult to bat on because the bowling of the opposition is so good. So you're just playing easy, but then eventually you come out and start hitting sixes and fours. So in UPSC also it's like that. When you walk out to the pitch, when you're close to the mains exam, you're doing your answer writing, essay writing, you might not be doing it correctly, but slowly you should have that growth mindset. You should have the mindset that I have to improve every time. Maybe sometime it will go down plateau, but I have to try to improve every time. I have to try to get that formula right of answer writing, of my essay writing right, and slowly, I'm very sure, like I did, you will also get there. The second thing I want to tell all of you guys is, who are preparing for next year or next to next year, is you will feel like this. You will feel confused and not sure of yourself through the entire process. For almost 1.5, 2 years, you will feel very unsure. But keep going through it. Keep improving. Keep covering one subject, next subject, third subject. Within the one subject, let's say economics, you cover one small topic, then next small topic, then next small topic. It's one step at a time. It's a long path. You have to walk hundreds of kilometers. Imagine that. But if you keep thinking, यार 100 किलोमीटर मेरे को दूर जाना है, कैसे जाऊंगा? It will not happen. You have to keep taking one step at a time and enjoy. Be mindful about that one step. Be involved in that one step. Every day you're sitting down to write answers. Be involved in it. Really apply your mind to it. Similarly, you're sitting down to study for something. Be involved in it. That is how you make it through. Eventually, all these small steps will build to something very good. You will not even realize. आपको end में पता चलेगा, अरे मेरा नाम PDF में इसलिए आ गया क्योंकि I had worked so hard for this entire long time, and slowly these gains accumulated over a period of time. So that is my message for all of you today. Don't feel down. Hopefully this Tuesday morning, tough morning, will pass by and you will do well. All right, take care, bye bye, and soon you will see concepts with Manuj. I have made one video. Hopefully that will be something that you will like. And if you have some problems with answer writing, let me know. I'm going to do a session hopefully this weekend on answer writing on Zoom or YouTube, where I'm going to tell everyone about answer writing, especially those students who I'm also going to post this particular answer writing session and the notes for it online on my community channel, so you can download it from there and you all can learn something from it. Okay, take care, bye bye.